Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make 4 different DIY fidgets. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and let's get right into it. For the first DIY, we are going to be making a Pikachu fidget. For this, you're going to need a piece of cardboard, and on the cardboard, I'm going to go ahead and draw the outline of a Pikachu. Next, I'm going in with my pair of scissors and I'm going to cut it out. Now I'm going in with my Posca pens and I'm going to just go in and color the cardboard and make Pikachu's face. Now you can also use colored pencils, markers, acrylic paint. You don't really need Posca pens for this. And if you want, you can make like any design that you want. I am just doing Pikachu, but feel free to make any kind of design that you like. To turn this into a fidget, you will need a googly eye, which I'm going to go ahead and color using my yellow Posca pen. And then all you want to do is just stick it in place. I lost the footage of me gluing it in place, but all you have to do is use super glue. And here is the Pikachu fidget all done. For the next DIY, I'm going to be making a Kirby stress ball. For this, you're going to need a balloon. You want to go ahead and cut off the top part of the balloon, and then you're going to need air dry clay. And all you want to do for this DIY is just fill the balloon using the air dry clay, and then you want to go ahead and tie down the balloon. The final step is to go in with some paint and draw on Kirby's face. And here is the Kirby squishy stress ball all done. It's so much fun to play with, it's so squishy, and yeah, this one is definitely one of my favorites. For the third DIY, we're going to be making a Hello Kitty squishy cube. On a piece of paper, I'm drawing on Hello Kitty's face. Next, you will need nano tape, which you can easily find on Amazon, and you want to take the nano tape and cut it into a square. So you will need 6 squares for 1 cube, and you want to go ahead and stick in the Hello Kitty's face, and then you're going to just put in some air dry clay into the cube to fill it up. And here is the squishy cube all done. For the final DIY, I'm going to be making some slime. So we are going to be making a very fluffy, buttery kind of slime. So I'm going to pour in some white glue, then I'm going to add some shaving cream and pink food coloring. I'm going to mix that together and then go ahead and activate my slime. To turn this into a butter slime, I'm going to be adding in some air dry clay. I'm using Model Magic, but you can use any air dry clay that you want. And then I'm going to just knead that in together. I'm going to pop the slime into a container, and then we're going to add this little cute charm on top. And here is the slime all done. And that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in a comment down below which DIY was your favorite. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one.